we are going to install a few pieces of hardware on this system. This is what we will need. Phillips flathead. We're going to attach a printer, which I've already attached with the 4 small Phillips screws to the mounting bracket. Gel warmer cable for the gel warmer, 2 probe cable hooks, ECV holder. Let's get started. The printer is actually going to sit right here. As you can see, I've already pulled the power cord and the printer cable there. They're sticking up. You'll see this catch here. Slide it into place and then slide forward. It's going to reveal 2 copper colored threaded screw holes. We're going to use these screws to attach. You see here, connect your power. Connect your printer cable. Attach one screw on this side. And I will attach the screw on the other side. Alright, the printer is now connected. Now, let's put these probe cable hooks, which will actually go alright, that's one. Alright, that's those 4 screws. Now your probe cable hooks are connected. Your printer's connected. And then now for gel warmer. Depending on which side you want it, slide in like this. Or you can put it on this side. It's just going to slide in and click. You have this cable here. We'll pull it back into the rear. Alright. So now your gel warmer has power. Then get your ECV holder or gel bottle holder again. Slide into there. Alright. Last but not least, and this will only apply to the 50 and 60 model. This bolt right here. I'm going to move it forward to this spot. Make sure that it's nice and tight. And what this is going to allow for is that when you hit the hydraulic to drop the control panel down, it's going to keep it from coming down and hitting the thermal printer. All right. There you go. All set.